And you have the video, that video?
Yes, ma'am.
See, actually, this sometimes what happens, you don't get the sensation also. After some time, you get the heating sensation. Okay, so or sometimes you apply something on your hand so that you don't. You have seen many people burning camphor and diya on the hand. Have you seen it? So that also they don't get hurt. Okay, so feeling the
And
feeling
ma'am,
is a little bit.
in Diwali also the candle is there, no? They put
Yeah.
their hand in between of the fire and do like this.
For a small moment of time, you can also put your hand in fire and take, but don't try it because it might be dangerous.
I
So,
don't know.
see, the feeling, it comes a little later. Okay, it's not related to our static electricity experiment, the fire one. Okay, it depends on what object did he take, Saklain? It was a foam.
Yes, ma'am. He took some perfume and sanitizer, I think.
Okay, perfume, sanitizer. It has got alcohol, so it is inflammable. So if you put inflammable things in front of fire, it will catch hold of fire easily. Okay, so that is why we say now, when we apply this, nowadays we are putting a lot of sanitizers every time. Now we keep on doing it, sanitize our hands. But after sanitizing, just don't go in the kitchen and stand near or hold your hand in front of the stove or gas. Okay, because that is inflammable, so it might,
You will burn yourself.
yes, you will burn your finger. Okay. Safia, you are there?
Ma'am, I think so. It was this one.
Yes, Akleen. Actually, I cannot see you also. Yes, Akleen. Yeah, show.
This one.
Okay, show it.
There is no voice.
Okay.
See, ma'am,
Ma'am, he
how he
applied
did.
no something on his hand.
I think he applied, he had surf. I think it was
And
washing.
was it like clothes or soap, or was it?
I think it was washing powder, and he mixed washing powder and
Kala hit.
it, it was there. So he made a foam, and foam to he applied using fire. So that was just momentarily. Now for momentarily, you can also put hand in your fire, it will not get hurt. Okay. So it was switching off the fire. I have to see what combination, because a chemical reaction is taking place between, what is there in washing powder. Base, it is a basic thing. Base, acid bases, what is it? Acid, base, and salt. Okay.
Yes.
So see, acid, like, again, see, in electricity also it happens. We'll do some experiment when acid also conducts electricity, bases also conduct electricity when dissolved in water. Here what happens, acid, and what was there in hit, I think it was hit only, na. So we need to find out what is it, what are the, what do we say, ingredient, thing in hit. and okay, I'll find out why it happens. But fire, anyway, you put your hand in fire momentarily, you will not get hurt. Okay, if you do like this in fire for for a small moment of time, you'll not get hurt.
We not get burned.
So just for a small moment, if you put it like this, your hand, you'll not get burned. Okay, people keep burning camphor on their hand. But don't do it, because it can be dangerous. Don't play with fire because it's not for your age to experiment these things. Okay,
No, I
dangerous.
was trying.
You try, but always keep one adult with you. Okay, whenever
I
you
didn't do. My mother started scolding.
whenever you do this, see, these experiments are very interesting to do, but you have to be very, very careful. Okay, because these are experiments. Experiments can lead to accidents also. Like when we experiment with concentrated acid, you know what happens in lab. Even if a small drop of acid, concentrated acid, fall on your hand, it will burn it. Okay, so we have to be very careful. That's why in labs and when we are doing the experiments, we have to be very use the precautionary measures always. Yeah, see, sometimes when we were in school and we used to do the practicals, now what happened, if a small drop of acid also falls on your dress or on your socks, it will have put holes on it, and it might burn your skin also. So that is why we should be careful. Okay, Saklane? So whenever you are trying experiments, the dangerous experiments, be careful and always use the precautionary measures. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so all of you are in? Yes. Sapia, you have written, do not play with fire without an adult. Yes, always be careful. Okay. So we'll start with our maths class today. We were doing exponents. So I'll share the screen. Exponents, squares and square root we were doing, right? So this is one puzzle based on squares and square root. Cube root is also there. I'll tell you what is cube root. Cube root means square root you already know. You find out the prime factorization, and for 2 you take out 1. That is your square root answer, right? We did that only. Is it clear? Yes or no? You can show me the thumbs up also. Fine, you remember or not? Okay. Now what is cube root? Cube root, if suppose I have to find cube root of 8. If I have to find cube root of 8, what is 8? Cube root is written like this. We write a 3 over here. Okay. This is cube root. In square root, we don't write anything. Or also you can write as fractional power. I told you how to write down the roots. So in cube root, I'll write up then this as 1 by 3. So what is 8? 8 ka factorization is 3 times, right? 2 into 2 into 2. So in cube root,
Yes.
3 will come out as 1. So this will not take out one pair because it is 3.
Yeah.
So instead of taking out 2, we used to take 2, 2 in square root. So answer was for square root of 8 is 2 root 2 and cube root of 8 is only 2. And here you have to write a 3. Otherwise it will become a square root. Understand?
Which means the cube root you have to take from 3 pairs, you have to choose
3
one.
will make 1. Okay? Cube root means why? Because cube is when you are multiplying 3 times, right? 2 cube is 8. 2 into 2 into 2. So cube root of 8 will be reversed, which is 3 2's will 1 2 will come out instead of 3. For 3 you will take out 1.
But it will not be written as 2 root 2.
No, that is square root. If I say what is the square root of 8, square root of 8 will be square root may you take 2 ka 1, right? So it will be 2 root 2. Square root of 8 is 2 root 2, but cube root of 8 is 2.
So ma'am, in cube root you take 3 like 3 numbers as 1.
3 numbers as 1 you will take out. Okay. If it is 4th root, then 4 will taken as 1. Okay.
Huh? Ma'am, I didn't understand.
If it
So
is
ma'am, this will happen for all the numbers.
for any numbers. See, if you use exponent also, what is it? 8 raised to exponent, I told you, always remember 2 ways are there for writing roots, okay? Either you write it like this or write it as 1 by 3. Now,
Ma'am,
what
why
is,
will we write 1 by 3?
because in exponent, you can write it as fractional power. Always we don't write it in cube root. We don't write it like this. We
Ma'am,
just
so
write
for
square root.
finding a cube root of any number, we have to first we can do prime factorization.
Factorization,
But
and
the
then
pairs will be for 3 numbers, right?
yeah. Or if it is a bigger number, see, this is your 8, correct? And 1 by 3.
Oh, yes.
It is this 3 into 1 by 3 is actually 2.
8 into 1 by 3.
Instead of 8, I can write 2 cube.
Yeah.
Okay, 2 into 2 into 2. Instead of writing this, you can write 2 cube. And 1 by 3 is cube root. So 1 by 3. Now you know that power of the power is multiplied. So 3 into 1 by 3 you will do, right? 2 raised to 3 into 1 by 3. You are getting the same answer. 1 by 3. You know that this get cancel out fraction.
3 1 to 3.
So 2 raised to 1 is the answer, correct? So you are here also you are getting 2 answer. If
Yes,
you
ma'am.
expand it and write, so any way you can solve. It is better to solve this way because when you go,
What if there is after you find the prime factorization and then there is one number,
then you will write, then you will suppose your question is 16, right? In 16, whoever is unmuted, please mute. Cube root of 16 I have to find out. Now what is 16 means? How many 2's are there?
2 into 2. 4.
4 2s.
2 raised to 4.
2 raised to 4. So 1 2 will come out, 1 is remaining, and here I will write 3. So answer is 2 into cube root of 3. It is not 23. Always be cautious. So that is why, see, it becomes very confusing. Sometimes if you write this as bigger number, it becomes 23 root 2. Okay. So that is why we write, if we are not taking square root, we write it as fractional power. So what will happen? The answer is 2 raised to 4 ka power 1 by 3. So for answer can be
so when
2
the
into 4 by 3,
root
you
of
can
16 will be 2.
2 cube root of 2. Like you used to write a 2 square root of 2 for 8.
Huh?
You remember that? So here 2 cube root of 2, or in power form you will write 2 raised to 4 by 3.
Okay.
Fine?
Same thing, we have to do it down.
Any way you can write. Any answer can be.
No, in down we need to solve cube roots or square.
Where? Here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let us do this. This is a crossword. We have to use square root and this thing.
Cube.
Cube root both. So you should be knowing square root.
Ah, square, cube and square root.
Yes. Cube, you know
Even
what
cube.
is cube? Cube is multiplying a number 3 times.
Because on the question is in square, cubes and roots.
Yes. So here, see, you know how to solve. Everyone knows how to
Which
solve
root?
a crossword.
Both of them. Yes, ma'am.
So 9 square plus 5 cube. Find out the answer. What is 9 square plus 5 cube? It is
9
1
square.
across. So that means I will write it here. What is
How
9?
will you write in numbers, ma'am?
You will write it in numbers. We'll write it in numbers only.
Oh,
Answer will be, this is a maths crossword. So we'll write it in
1.
numbers. What is 9 square?
81.
18. 81, yeah, 81.
81.
9 into
1
9.
plus
81. And 5 cube.
And 620.
125. 125.
125.
what is it? 125 plus 81. What is it?
206.
Yes. So here it will be your
206.
206.
Ma'am,
Now
just write it down now.
or 2 down. Yes,
Using
I'll write.
annotate, just write it down.
I'll write. What is it? 2,
Oh, sorry, ma'am.
0, and 6. Okay. Now 2
Write
down.
at the whole side.
And the second
2 down. 2 down is 4 cube minus the square root of 9. So what is 4 cube?
No.
You write and do.
What, ma'am?
4
What did you
cube-
say?
What is 2 down? 4 cube
64.
minus
64.
64 minus what is square root of 9?
Square root of 9. 81.
That is square of 9. Square root is
3.
3. Yes. So 64 minus 3, what is it?
61.
61.
6 is already
61.
there. That means it is correct. So it is 61. What is 4 across? 11 square.
121.
121.
121.
21. What is
Now
5
one.
down?
What is 5 down? The square. I can't see the
The square root of 169 into 10. What is the square root of 169?
1690. 1690.
What is it? 1690 ka square root, what is it?
I'm 13. 13.
Yes, 13. But into 10 is also there.
Into 10. 130.
130.
130, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes. So 5 down is 130. 1, 3 and 0. Now what is 3 down? Find out. 2 cube, 3 cube and 4 cube. Add all these. 2 cube, 3 cube and 4 cube. What is 2 cube?
8.
What is 3 cube?
27.
Hmm.
And what is 4 cube?
64.
Add all.
No.
Anybody got?
99, ma'am. 99.
Yes, 99. So 3 down is 99. What is 6 across? This one, 6 across. 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. Add all.
2 square is 4.
Yes, 3 square is
9.
9. So 9 plus 4
I'm 29.
29.
is it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Which one we are doing? 6 1. No, it is. How come it is 3?
It is
Across we are doing.
Ma'am, we are doing across.
Yes, we are doing it. So 29, correct. Okay, then next one is
6
6
down.
down. 15 square. What is 15 square?
30.
30. 30.
30.
No, ma'am.
15
No.
square. Not
15 square is not 30. 15, 10 the 150. 15, 11 the
25.
225. Yes. You have to learn the squares of all the number till 25.
and
If
7
not-
is so big. 4 numbers. 7
Ma'am,
is
225.
Yes,
225.
225 is 6 down. 7 is this one. 5 square plus 10 cube.
5 square is
1025.
5.
Ma'am,
5 square is 25.
1025.
And 10 square is 100.
Ma'am, 15 square is
1000
90, right?
and
Ma'am, 15
25.
square is 90.
1025.
Yes,
No,
1025.
1025.
10 cube is
Huh.
1000 and 5
1000.
square is 25. Yes, Amina.
Ma'am, 15 square is 90, right?
No, 15 square is 15 into 15. It is 225, 225.
No.
15 square, 15 into 15, multiply.
Ma'am, multiplied only.
Multiply again. You're making mistake. 15 into 15. It is 225.
5, yes, ma'am. 225.
Okay, now which number we are going to do? 8 down. 8 down
down.
is what? 8 down is 3.
3 square is 3 cube is wait. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 81.
27.
27.
27.
27 plus 14 square. 169 ka ulta. 196. I told you last time. 13 square ka reverse. 196. So 196 plus 27. What is the answer?
Ma'am, 15 square is, when I read it, I got 15 square is 225.
223. 223.
23. Yes. Yes, Amina.
When I read it 15 square, I got it as 225.
You got it 225. Na? That is correct answer. 15 square is 225 only. Okay, now which one we are going to do? 12 across.
12 across. The cube root of 125.
What is cube root of 125? 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. So what is cube root of 125?
5.
5.
5.
5.
5.
5 into 8 square. What is it?
5 is a 40.
No, 8 square. What is it? 8 square is what?
16.
64.
64.
64. 8 is a 64.
69.
64.
64 into 5 multiplied. So 64 into 5 is
I'm 320.
20. Okay, 12 across is 320. Yes.
Now 2.
Now
13. I
we
mean.
have 13 down. What is 13 down?
13.
Triple the sum of 9 square plus 7 square. First of all, find 9 square plus 7 square. 81 plus 49. How much?
130. 130. 130.
Into 3.
130 into 3.
390.
13 down.
396. 90, 90.
Something is wrong because here we have 2. So I should get with 2 only. Do it again. 9 nines are 81. And 7 sevens are 49.
49.
Add these two. 9 plus
130.
1.
130.
0, 8 plus 1, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 130 we are getting.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
This we are doing.
And ma'am, if you will multiply it by 3, then the first digit will
you
get
have to
3
multiply
only.
by 3 also, no?
I'm 228.
130 into 3. 13
3
3 is
228.
Ma'am,
130 you are getting. How much you are getting?
130. 130.
You have to triple the sum. 3 times.
Then 390.
Into
390, ma'am.
No, 228 is correct answer. Do it again. What is it? 9 nines are 81 plus 7 sevens are 49. What is it?
130.
81 plus 5. 130.
Ma'am, 130
130
into 3 now. So we'll get
That will be
396.
that will be 390, ma'am.
390.
390.
390.
228.
Saklan.
Sakleen, I think it is correct answer because 228 is correct answer. Then how come this we are getting? Okay, let us. Yeah.
Ma'am, after adding, we have to multiply no? Into 3 times.
Yes.
Multiplied by 3.
So how did you do?
130 into 3 is not 228.
Ma'am,
It is
Yes,
390, ma'am. It is 390.
Okay,
Huh.
let us do first 16 across, then we'll find out that again. Okay, 16 across is how much? 2 cube into cube root of a million.
Huh?
What is 2 cube?
8.
4. 8. 8.
8.
Cube root of million. Million means how many zeros?
6.
1.
6 zeros.
Cube root means 1 by 3 here. So 2 zeros you will have. 100.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So 2 cube is 8 into 100 is 800. So that is why I was telling Sakleen's answer was
Ma'am,
correct.
228 is
But
correct.
ma'am, the calculation,
Correct.
why is the answer coming 390 then?
Triple the sum of 9 square plus 7 square. So
That is 130.
130, 9, 9, 81.
Ma'am, I guess there's a question wrong in that.
7, 49.
Oh,
Ma'am,
28 should be the answer. I think we're doing something we are missing.
From up.
9
I
plus 7
guess.
if we do. What is it? 9 plus 7?
ma'am, what is 12 across?
Okay, let us do this. 12 plus is fine. 320. That is okay. 320 is the answer. Okay.
Then ma'am, this one should be 390, ma'am.
Which one? Here?
Yes, 13 now because
We are not getting
after
it.
adding
130 is 390.
Again, how did you get? How did you get 228? You show?
I'm see. Ma'am, first I put that 2 numbers in bracket, then I multiplied 3 into 9 square plus 7 raised to 2.
Okay,
I'm
you
still the answer
multiply
is
it.
1.
No, what did you do? You first,
130.
you show me your notebook. What is the step you did?
I did it in the newspaper.
No, you did 3 into
Can I show?
like this. Yeah, you draw.
Ma'am, on that sum we cannot add 3 plus 2 and then that 5 raised to 2 plus
Which question?
Wait.
This you can do
Which
like that. 3 plus 2, add 5.
5 raised to
5
2.
fives are
So it
20.
will be equal to 5 raised to 2 plus 5 raised to 2 now.
Correct.
What is 25? 5 raised to 2 is
5
25.
plus 25, which is 50. 14 down is 50. No,
Ma'am,
that
the answer
is
is 50, right?
yeah.
Oh, what is the question is wrong or what, ma'am?
No, I'll have to check it. We are taking it in a different way. So let us complete rest of the question, then I'll check it again. Okay. There might be a mistake in the question also. Mistake hota hai. Okay.
Ma'am, why? That's the only thing which, right? Because
Ma'am,
it's
the question
with our answer.
the question should have been double the sum of 9 square plus 7.
अगर डबल करेंगे तो 13 to 6 कभी भी 8 will not come ना.
Ma'am,
There is something wrong with the question.
ma'am, the crossword after 13 there are 2 boxes, no? After 12 if there would be 2 boxes, then that answer would be correct.
Okay, let us solve this question, then we'll come back here. 9 down, solve 9 down. This is 9 down. 8 square plus square root of what? 144. What is square root of 144?
Square root 7? No.
7 square is 49. What is square root of 144? You have to learn the square roots till
36.
12.
12. Yes.
12, yes, 12.
12 is the square root of 144. So 12 plus 8 8s are 64.
4 plus 12, right?
Yes, 64 plus 12.
76.
76.
9 down.
26.
Where is 9 down? How much you are getting?
76.
76.
76. What is 10 across?
10 across.
13 square.
13 square.
What is 13 square?
Cross
169.
169.
59. Next 7 down. What is 7 down? 18
7
square
down.
into
1944.
1944.
You got it? 18 square did you do? What is 18 square?
1944.
That is correct answer, 194.
So,
Okay. What is left now?
11
15 across,
11
ma'am.
across.
15
Ma'am,
across.
11 across.
Where is 11? 11 across is there.
Yes, ma'am.
4 cube. What is 4 cube?
4.
4. Na?
64. 64.
And what is 14 down? Here nothing is there.
Man, 10 down, ma'am.
No, here nothing is there. No block.
14 is this side, so 10.
Safiya, there is no block below 10.
There is no block below 10. Huh? 14 down. Where is 14 down? Yes, 14 down is this. What is 14 down?
3,
25.
50, ma'am.
2, 5, 5, 5, 25. Plus 7 minus 2.
Yes, ma'am. 50.
5.
50, ma'am. 50.
But over here there are 3 blocks, ma'am.
So here there are 3. I think yahan pe
Ma'am, we have to use the power.
Ma'am, we are doing 14 down, right? So it will come down.
yeah, so here it should be 50. Okay, 14
Yes.
across, you do 14 across. What is 14 across?
12 square.
I think here it should be this thing.
144.
So here
One-
we have
150.
this 50 should be there. Here the question, I think some mistake is there in the question. It should be plus 100 also. Then only you will get 150, na?
Yes, ma'am. Let's check the 15th answer, ma'am.
What is 15
19.
across?
19
This-
square.
316.
Yes, correct. 369 plus 361, sorry. 361 plus
361 plus 8. 369.
no, plus cube root of 4. What is cube root of 4?
Cube root of
64,
64,
ma'am.
8.
64 is
8.
4. 4. Cube root, not
Acha,
square.
cube. Okay. 4.
4,
And 3,
right? 4 is 4. So 4. So your
And
answer
then
361 plus 4. What is the answer?
365.
365.
365.
It's correct.
Only this year we are facing problem.
And this one, ma'am, and 14.
13 down. So this is
14 down.
calculated. This should be plus
And
100.
14 down and
The sum
Correct.
of
14 down.
so I think you should be doing, if we do 9 square, we are getting plus 7 square because always we do, and then triple into 3. So 130 into 3, 13 3s are 39, 390 will get. I think there is a mistake in this question because answer should be 228.
This. Wait.
So maybe you have to subtract something. Then only you will get 228 over here. Okay?
Ma'am, even this 15.
Here, so I have made
No,
it
14, I mean.
Yeah.
This one.
Yes. Okay, so we are done with this. Please. Yeah, I had this. This is 228 written, na? 13 down.
Look, ma'am, 150 is there.
Yeah, 150 is there.
So the question is wrong.
Yeah. Okay, we were doing this question. Anybody remember still where we have done it? 7744, have we done?
We didn't do the last two.
Yes, ma'am. 7744 we did.
11664?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Only
So
last two.
4900 is simple. 49 is
Yes.
7 ka square and 100 is 10 ka square. So, so it is 70. Now do this. 47089. Square root of 47089.
Ma'am, we need to find a square root, right?
You need to find square root. For that, what do you want to find out? Prime factorization. You have to do prime factorization. So, which number?
Three.
you
Three.
start with?
Ma'am, 3.
No, it cannot go 3. It cannot go with 3, ma'am.
Why?
Because the sum of the numbers is 28.
28 and 27 comes in.
28 is not divisible by
Yes.
3. So, it will not
Now,
go
which
by
number will it be divisible with?
7. Ma'am,
Right.
7.
7
Try
of 4.
7. Try with 7. If it is divisible, then it will go. Just try.
7.
Or 11. Anything you can try. See, when 3, 2.
Ma'am, even 4. Ma'am, even 4.
No, 4 is not divisible because last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. For any number to be divisible by 4, your last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. But 89 is not divisible by 4. Okay.
7.
Try with 7.
77.
Write it down and solve, Safia. Write it down. Always write it in notebook and solve. 47089.
Ma'am, it is divisible by 7.
Okay, so continue with 7 now. If it is divisible by 7, it is 47, then 47089.
6727. 6727.
42 and then 5.
7. 2, 8, 9.
Okay, now again it is divisible by 7. Just check, it should be.
Yes, ma'am.
63.
And Einstein enjoyed a lot
Yes.
in Aurangabad. Come on, do exercise better. Come on, come on.
Safia, please mute. Again it goes by 7. Okay, now it is divisible by 7. (961). By which number it will go? It should go by a prime number only.
It is not divisible by 7, ma'am.
It's not divisible by 7. Check it by 13, 11.
Ma'am, is it divisible by 3?
Divisible by?
3.
No, it is not divisible
No,
by
no,
3.
no.
See,
But
when it is
61
not
is-
divisible, you have to check by 7,
no.
11, 13, 17, all these numbers, because it is divisible by a prime number. Okay?
17. 2s are
Check, divide and check.
35.
You need a rough work to do. So you have to find out by which number it is divisible. Find it out. Kavya, just mute. Everyone find it out. Which number should be divisible by 961? Which number will divide 961? I want the answer from you only. I'll not give you the answer. Because this way only you are going to find out. So 7 से it is not divisible, 7 से cross हो गया, 3 से it is not divisible, 11 से you check, 13 से also check, 17 से you check. Anybody has got?
Ma'am, we need to find in that table, right, if 961 comes or not.
You have to divide and find it out.
Ma'am, can 961 be divisible by 31?
31, yes, check it. Check this.
Yes, ma'am. 31, 31 जा.
31, 31 za na? See, there is a technique to check. If it is 1 is there in the last digit, so 1 is a square of 1 only. So any number ending with 1 will have a square this number. So it is 31 into 31.
Ma'am, 7 square into 31 square.
Square. So your answer will be? What is your
7.
answer? 7 into 31?
Yes.
You have to take, instead of square, you take one number, na? So your answer is?
217.
Yeah, 31 into 7. So square root of 4, 7.
217. 217.
Yes.
217.
Is equal to root under 31. I'm just writing 31 square into, because space is not there, 7 square. So instead of 2 square root mein se only 1 will come out. So 31 into 7. So answer is 217. Do the last question, 298116. It will go by 2 first. All of you have written the question. Doing or not? I'm not getting that only. 298116. See how many twos? 2 2s, 2 3s, 2 7 and 2 13. This is your prime factorization. I have shown it over here. Solve it and see if you're getting the same answer. When you are taking out from the root, you will remove the root. Can you see the solution on the board, on the screen?
Yes.
See, from the textbook, your homework will be the exercise on squares and square root. Page number 16. Page number 16.
16, ma'am.
Yes, 16. Exercise 1.6. See, we have done so many questions. Just complete this exercise.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Count the first 10 square numbers. So 1
Ma'am?
to 10, you have to write the squares. Yes.
The whole exercise,
Ma'am.
like the
Yes, whole exercise, few
Ma'am.
questions. Yes.
The
If
answer
you
is
have
2
any
into
doubt,
3.
what 2 into 3? Answer you are giving?
Yeah, 2 into 3 into 7 into 13.
Yes, 2 into 3 into 7 into 13. That is the answer, which is 546. Yes,
and ma'am, we have to submit this on Google Classroom, right?
Yes, submit it on Google Classroom, because last homework I didn't find. Have you completed the previous homework? If
Yes.
you have done it in the book,
Yeah,
also
ma'am.
just
Book.
click the picture and submit it on Google Classroom so that I can see it you have done. Okay?
But ma'am, in what homework, like?
It was not homework. I think we have given all the question. We have done all the question in class. Just one or two
Yes,
questions.
ma'am.
So leave
Yes.
it. Don't submit that on Google Classroom. Just submit this exercise on Google Classroom. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Exercise 1.6. Questions are very simple as compared to the questions we have done in the class. We have done bigger questions in class. In the exercise, the questions are very simple. Just see question number 4. Find the missing number in each case. Can you see in the textbook? Find the missing number in each case. 3 square plus 4 square. So just find out what is 3 square, what is 4 square. 3 square is 9. 4 square is,
Shruti ma'am.
yeah.
13, 13, then we'll write one more 13 over here.
Where? Which question you are talking?
The last one. Okay.
Two 13s are there. So one out of two, one will come out, right? One will come out of the square root.
Wait, I'll draw it in.
Yeah. So two threes, 1 3 will come out. Two twos, 1 2 will come out, and two sevens are there. So 1 7 will come out. Okay. And you multiply, and that will be the square root. Okay. Okay. Coming to this textbook question, question number 4.
Beta
Anyone
card.
tell me how will you solve this question? Abdullah, can you give me the answer? How will you solve it? 3 square plus 4 square is dash square.
So I'll write the question.
Yeah. You have this now. I have sent you.
Actually, that one only.
Exercise 1.6, question number 4. How will you solve it? Which way?
Ma'am, which question?
Question number 4A.
Exercise?
1.6. Anyone has done? How will you solve it?
Ma'am, I don't have exercise 1.6 now. I just have till 1.5.
Okay, okay. I'll send 1.6 also.
Sir, can you tell me the question?
Question is 3 square plus 4 square. Question is like this. 3 square plus 4 square is equal to dash square. So what will I write over here? How will you solve? What is left hand side?
9 plus 16.
Yes. What
Ma'am,
is 9 plus
first we'll
16?
find the 3 square and the 4 square.
Correct. What is the value?
25.
Square is 9 and
25. So 25 is a square of what number?
5.
Five.
So we'll write 5 square is answer.
So 5 is the answer in the block. Okay, is it clear? So can you solve all the 4 parts this way? You can solve it? Huh?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Okay. See, the question was this one, blank. This was blank. So 3 square plus 4. I'm doing the second part. 8 square plus 6 square. Just see. 8 square plus 6 square. What is 8 square? What is 8 square, Munir?
64.
Okay. 64. What is 6 square?
36.
What is 64 plus 36? Plus you have to do, right? Is it 100?
Yes, ma'am. It is 100, ma'am.
So what is square root of 100? You have to find square root. So what is square root of 100?
10.
10. So
10.
So here you will write 10. So whatever number you are getting over here, you have to find the square root and you will get the answer. That is 10 square.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it clear? So
Yes,
here
ma'am.
you have to find the square root of this number. So rest 2 parts, you do it yourself. rest of the questions are simple question. Question number 8. Right, again it is a square root question. You can find out, it is simple question, just small questions are there. Okay, in I part 29 plus 35, first find out 29 plus 35, then find the square root. Is it clear, Farhana? So these questions you can do. Then question number 9, root under 36 ka square. What will be the answer? Square root of 36 square.
6.
36 square root will be
6. I'm 6. 6 are 36.
36 square will, first we have to find out the square of 36 and then that we have to find square root of that, right?
No, it is root and root 36. What is root 36? What is root 36? 6. Square root of 36 is 6, na? So
Yes.
6 ka square, what is it? 36 only.
36.
So answer is 36. If you do square of square root number, you will get the same number. So whatever answer is given, square root of 36 ka square, you are doing it same thing. The square root of 36 means 36 raised to 1 by 2. Okay. And outside also you are doing a square. So square. So 1 by 2 into 2, you'll get the same number, 36. So instead of solving this whole way, just write down the same answer. 196 root under ka square will be 196. Is it clear? Square root of 5 square ka square root will be how much? 5. Correct? 5 into 5. 1 5 will come out. 16 square square root. What will be the answer? Only 16.
16.
Yes. So you can solve these questions.
Yes, ma'am.
All the questions. So please solve the question. Write it down in your notebook. Saklain and Abdullah, I'll send you this exercise on Google Classroom again. Okay.
I got the notebook.
You got the
This
textbook?
textbook.
Okay, fine. You got the textbook. Abdullah, you have still not got it.
No.
Okay, so I'll send you the picture. Anyone can send. Saklain, can you click a picture of this exercise and send it to Abdullah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please do it today only so that he completes the homework. Okay. Fine, everyone. So this, no doubt in this exercise. If anyone still faces problem, you can discuss. You can remind me the next class, and all of you submit the solution on Google Classroom. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we do some of the questions in the textbook or we do all the questions in the notebook?
I think you have to do it in the notebook only. If you can do it in the textbook, then you have to give the textbook, click the textbook picture. Okay, if you're doing it in
Okay.
textbook, click the textbook picture.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Okay, see you in the next class, Friday. Bye, everyone.